WEGO applies the top international injection equipment and molds, independently researches and develops a new type of PET material, so that our injection molded plastic tubes are in the leading position in the same industry in China. The plastic tube adopts the mist spraying process, so that the anticoagulant is uniformly distributed on the inner wall of the tube. Fluoride tubes with additives of sodium fluoride and potassium oxalate, sodium fluoride and EDTA, sodium fluoride and sodium heparin. EDTA tubes with additives of K2 EDTA and K3 EDTA. Heparin tubes with additives of lithium heparin and sodium heparin are used clinically for emergency biochemistry tests, blood rheology tests, blood ammonia tests, and so on. Sodium citrate tubes with the additive of sodium citrate 124, which has a concentration of 3.2%. Serum tubes with the additive of procoagulant are clinically used in serum biochemical tests. Serum separator tubes with additives of procoagulant and separator gel are clinically used in emergency biochemical tests. Citrate tubes with additives of sodium citrate 129, which has a concentration of 3.2%, are used clinically for coagulation tests. WEGO vacuum blood collection tube consists of safety cups, util plugs, labels, tubes, and additives. WEGO vacuum blood collection tubes are classified by materials, glass tubes, and plastic tubes. The dual-ribbed design effectively prevents the gas permeation from the tube mouth into the tube, providing a vacuum holding capacity of 20%. WEGO has the highest capacity blood collection tube injection molding system in China, which ensures the market supply with the quality assurance.